Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the car 12-volt battery terminal connector. Top post positive and negative. Heavy duty for universal battery. So this one has a 3-to-1 connection. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I got this out of eBay for $7.40 plus free shipping, and then the tax on this total is $8.05. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what I got. So this one has a 3 poles to 1 connection to your battery. So you could connect extra connector if you have like a amplifier or like a fog lights or anything like that you want to install more terminals to your poles toward your battery, either the positive or the negative. That's why it has black and then red. So I got a couple of the project I want to do, so that's why I purchased this. I was going to purchase some of this from China for $6 something, $6.99. So actually I found this, which is in the US, so it'd be here faster. That's why I got it, and I only pay 40 cents or 40 something cents extra, which is pretty good deal. So there's a nut right here. You could just open it up and put it on your battery terminal. So if you want, you could also use this for your solar system. If you want to connect, like, battery in series or in parallel, or however setup that you need, either 12 volt, 24 volt, or maybe 36 volt or 48 volt for your scooter or anything like that. Alright, so I'll probably post a video what I'm going to do later on. It's just an unboxing for this. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.